Welcome to Berry Life, bringing you delicious recipes every week. So be sure to subscribe for more great content. Today we're making roasted tomato soup with a secret ingredient from the East. For this recipe we'll need tomatoes, 6 to 8, 1 large red pepper, 1 medium onion, juice of half a lemon, 1 bulb of garlic, half a cup of fresh basil, paprika, black pepper, and our secret ingredient, garam masala, some salt, turmeric powder gives it nice color, and some red pepper flakes for heat, olive oil, coconut milk instead of cream for the richness, vegetable stock, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's prep our vegetables and get them ready to roast in the oven. And while they're in the oven, we'll also make some homemade croutons. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button for more great content and click the bell icon for future notifications. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to hit the like button and comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Before we prep, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by chopping tomatoes into quarters. These are going to roast so we can leave them in large pieces. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can also use whole canned tomatoes. The roasting process will really bring out their sweetness, almost like sun-dried tomatoes. We'll also chop a red pepper into large pieces, removing the stem, the seeds, and the veins. For the garlic bulb, slice off the top, exposing the cloves. We're also going to chop the onion into quarters. We don't need to be too careful about chopping these properly. Everything will roast and get blended to a smooth consistency. Place the onions and tomatoes in a large bowl and separate all of the layers of the onions. To the bowl we'll add olive oil, along with salt and black pepper, along with the fresh basil, just broken by hand. To it, add the lemon juice and give everything a nice toss, coating all of the vegetables with the olive oil and lemon juice mixture. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spread out the vegetables. With the vegetables uniformly spread out, they'll roast evenly. To the baking sheet, add the large red peppers, along with the bulb of garlic, with the exposed cloves facing up. On the cloves, drizzle on some olive oil to prevent drying in the oven. When the oven reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place in the vegetables for roasting. We're going to roast these for 1 hour. About 20 minutes in, we'll pull out the garlic to prevent drying. While we wait, let's make croutons. We can make use of some leftover bread. From a loaf, cut some thick slices. Now we'll cut these into long fingers, kind of like French fries. On a baking sheet lined with foil, lay out the bread pieces. Drizzle on some olive oil, along with salt and Italian herbs. Toss all the bread pieces, making sure to coat all of them with the olive oil and the herb mixture. And then lay them flat to toast in the oven. We'll place them in the oven after taking out the vegetables. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's take out the garlic bulb. It smells amazing. Push the vegetables back in so they can finish roasting. It's been an hour and the vegetables are done. There's a lot of steam from all the moisture escaping the vegetables. Let them cool for a few minutes. In the meantime, place the croutons in the oven and let them toast for about 5 to 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While the croutons are toasting, we can finish the soup. In a large pot or a Dutch oven over high-medium heat, add in the vegetable stock along with the roasted vegetables. Be careful not to splatter. To the pot, add all of the spices. That garam masala is just going to add another layer of smokiness. Give everything a nice stir. Combine all those spices in the vegetable stock. Then add the roasted garlic, right from the bulb. Combine everything thoroughly and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can use an immersion blender or a regular blender. Blend everything to a smooth consistency. This does take a few minutes. Once the soup is blended, we'll add the coconut milk and turn off the heat. Save a little bit of that coconut milk to drizzle on top of the bowl. That's it. The soup is done. Go ahead and ladle it to your favorite bowl. I can't wait to try it. I can already smell the amazing spices. With some of those homemade croutons, this is a meal in and of itself. With the coconut milk that we've saved, now we can drizzle it on top for presentation, along with a few leaves of basil and a side of croutons. Be sure to like and subscribe to support this channel so we can continue providing more free content every week. There you have it, roasted tomato soup and some homemade croutons. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you try this recipe, be sure to comment below, as well as tag us on Instagram at berryberrylife.